What's happening, y'all? Just leveling out the floor right now. Since we got 14 people in the room, I'll show you what's going on. We got a nice little Decagon structure, 10-sided. My door right there. And right now, I'm taking the drop down about 1.5 feet. So when you come into the structure, you can walk down 2 steps, or you can stay on the leveled area where I'm gonna keep plants. And at the end of this area, once I open out the floor, I'm gonna put a little table, a 2-seater table, and then finish the roofing. So this whole structure here, Decagon, took me about 2 days to get where I'm at right now.